the game tomorrow. Like we know, we win in the first round with Kota Putra, and then but the situation is different now. We have a good enough player and good player, and then for the second round of the game tomorrow, because we have win in the first round with Kota Putra.
Malam guys.
Malam.
As you told, we have excellent situation in first half of season winning Kota Putra, but tomorrow is a different game with different players. We have many new guys, and in that moment we are very happy because in the last game we saw that we have a better team, stronger team with ideas, with good possession, and I'm very happy in that moment that we have a stronger team. Normally, in 1 week, if you play 3 games, definitely not so easy, and we have in our league some guys like Kurmi and the other. In last 7 days, 2 games, 2 hard games, and tomorrow 3rd game. Maybe, I don't know, maybe we a little bit tired, but I'm sure that we try to repeat same energy, same things on playground like against Makassar. And if we push that energy, if we push our soul and heart on playground, maybe tomorrow first time come and Father Campo, maybe we are lucky and we win.
Oke, Mas Rizky bilang sebelum kita pernah menang di putaran pertama melawan Kota Putra di OE di home mereka, tapi besok pertandingannya jelas sudah berbeda dengan komposisi pemain yang berbeda baik dari Kota Putra maupun dari Bandar Lampung FC sendiri. Terus Coach juga bilang bahwa masih ingin mengandalkan permainan seperti malam PSM Makassar kemarin dengan bermain dengan motor, mengeluarkan semua energinya, bermain maksimal. Tapi saya sendiri merasa bahwa jadwal pertandingan kali ini sangat padat banget, jadi banyak pemain kita yang sebenarnya lebih kaya, sedikit kelelahan, jadinya di situ masih ada masalah karena jadwalnya padat sih sebenarnya itu. Jadi besok pertandingan masih mau coba bermain seperti melawan PSM Makassar kemarin dengan bermain motor dan bermain secara maksimal seperti melawan PSM.
Jangan lupa subscribe ya.